Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize affiliate links on Shopify in USA step by step clearly. To authorize affiliate links on Shopify in the USA, start by logging into your Shopify account. Navigate to the settings option located in the bottom left corner of the dashboard. Click on Plan and Permissions in the settings menu. Scroll down to the Store Owner section. Here, you will see an option for Affiliate Program. Click on Manage next to the Affiliate Program settings. If you don't have an affiliate program installed, you'll need to add an app. Go to the Shopify App Store and search for Affiliate Marketing Apps. Choose an app that fits your business needs and read the reviews. Click Add App and follow the installation instructions. Once installed, return to the Affiliate Program settings. Now you will find additional options specific to the app you installed. Set up your preferred commission structure and terms for your affiliates. Next, create affiliate accounts by inviting the individuals you want to work with. Make sure to provide them with unique affiliate links. To do this, go to the app dashboard and navigate to Create Affiliate Link. Enter the necessary, generate the unique link and share it with your affiliates. Ensure that your affiliates understand how to use their links effectively. You can track the performance of each affiliate within the app dashboard. Regularly review reports and analyze sales generated through your affiliates. Adjust your strategies based on the performance data to maximize effectiveness. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to successfully authorizing affiliate links on Shopify in the USA. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.